All right, flatbed guys, holler at me for a second here. This one here is something else, man. Y'all got to tell me what the hell you would do in this situation. But before I get into that, I said I'd never do this, but I think it's time for me to go ahead and get to the next level, the next stages of this thing. I need people to hit that subscribe button, share the videos with other people, share the videos on your social media. Let's get this thing going to the next level, because I got a lot of stuff that I want to put out there, and a lot of stuff I want to do, and a lot more stuff I have planned. But you know, this stuff has got to take off a little bit more so I can get into it, because I'm meeting a lot of cool people and a lot of people I want to do stuff with, but you know, I got to make sure it makes sense, you know. So let's get this thing going to the next stage, y'all. I've seen some things that's pretty bad. Flatbed dudes, man, y'all got some more explaining to do for me today. Look at this trailer here. Leaning just a little bit, huh? Just a little bit to one side. It ain't the wheels, it ain't the tires, it ain't the rims, it's the damn trailer. That don't look good at all. Got a steel coil sitting on there. Look like it done gave up on him. That sucks. Now, how in the heck would he get out of this situation? You know, like what do you do now? Like, once you're here, what's the next thing to do? You know, just take the L, have somebody else throw it on another trailer. What do? You know, what's a man to do in this situation? Like, you know, you can have a crane come and pick it up, or I mean, what do you do? What's the best results? What's the best answer? I mean, I'd hate to be in that situation. I feel bad for him, but that's trucking though. I do wonder what he's gonna do. Maybe I'll swing back by later, see if it's still here, see if there's a tow truck working on it or something later on.